Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to be learning the topic of collection framework. Now, for the previous video, we have learned the counter from the collection framework. In this video, we're going to learn another step called the named tuple. Now, if you're not familiar with named tuple, it's a really easy and a really nice dictionary type of thing. If you want to see that later, we're just going to talk about that more in this video. So as usual, you need to just start by importing the collection framework in your Python file. So I'm just going to type in from collections import the named tuple. Then so basically this named tuple references to actually what it means is it's a tuple values. On the tuple values, you want to just roll up with the particular name. So that's what you call the named tuple. So why is it named tuple? Because the tuple, the values of this tuple, the particular value of the tuples needs a particular name to get his own uniqueness. Now you can't say that you can find this in dictionary, but dictionary is renamable, changeable, or iterable, or whatever. But in name tuple, it's not changeable. It's like a normal tuple, but you can give the uniqueness using an attribute. So enough talking, let's just get into it. So basically, we have explained things with dictionary, but in name tuple, we're just not gonna use dictionary. There'll be another thing which is more, which is a class. We're gonna use class. So basically, what named tuple returns is a class, and that class we can pass in some constructor variables. With these variables, the attributes and the values is going to be set, and if you want to change that value, it's impossible to change. You'll say that it's basically possible for class, but with classes it will take much more lines of code and it will make your code more disgusting. So using name tuple, this makes it super easy. So let's just get started. Suppose I want to create a name tuple with their own uniqueness with a person. Suppose I want to create a person named a tuple, and right here you want to specify the name tuple, like the name of your name tuple. So basically the keys and values are going to be set as usual, but the whole thing, like the person class, the name of the class, you're going to specify here. So I'm just going to specify the same name person. And now, what are going to be the attributes? Now, the attributes are going to be set on the string. Now, on this string, they are going to be these attributes that you want to enter. So here, suppose I want this name and age. These are comma separated values like a CSV file. So here, the name and age are in this named tuple. Here, the name and age is going to be specified on the constructor. So here, I'll create a variable called person, which is a instance of the person class. Now here, as you can see, it requires some fields. Now if you want to just print it out like usual, you want to just do an person print and just simply run this named tuple collection function. As you can see here, it's missing the two requirement positional arguments, which is called the name and age. Now these positional arguments must be required because here I said these things. So if I just type in the name as well as the age and print it out, as you can see, these are these name tuples. So basically here the name is our name and the tuple value is Tahsin, and age is our name and 12 is our value. So basically this is what name tuple. Now apart being from this outside, you can also, if you want to change the values like this, you can also, before that, if you want to get a single value from your name tuple, you can also do is the person dot name dot print. Easy way you can just also get the name, those particular names. So if you change this value and then print out the name, there will be a error saying these can't set the attributes. Basically, why it can't set the attributes? Because our tuple is not changeable, it's immutable. That's the main reason you can't set the attributes in the name tuple as well. So this is just super easy thing you can use with name tuple with a short lot of syntax and the best usage in Python collection framework. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.